If you want to open apps in split screen on a Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then what you have to do is, first of all, we need to open the first app that should be in the split view. Then we're gonna go to Recents or Background Apps, and you want to press and hold your finger on the app preview like this. You will reveal some options on the side of the app preview, and you want to choose this button, this rectangle that is split into two halves. And there we go. Now, in addition to that, we can open the second app, of course, that we wish to open in this split view. And there we go. As you can see, now I can use two apps at the same time. We can grab by this white line that we have in the middle in order to split apps like this. Just split not evenly. We can also tap on the three dots that we have at the top of each app in order to find some additional tools. And we can, for example, switch these apps, we can switch their positions, we can open in full screen, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.